we are going to talk about the human species. The group of races and civilizations that we refer to as human are those who look identical or similar to Earth's surface humans. Originally, all human races in the Milky Way Galaxy come from Lyra constellation, although Andromedan sources point out that the human race actually originated from another galaxy, and there are around 135 billion human beings in the 8 galaxies closest to ours. Within the Milky Way, the original 4 humanoid groups, Tawal, Ahel, Noor, and Loan, first began to evolve in the Lyran star system over a period of 40 million years as a peaceful and abundant and agricultural society, until one day the reptilian group called the Draconians showed up. They wanted to control the abundant food and natural resources of the human planets. And soon the war started, where up to 50 million Lyrans were killed. 3 Lyran planets called Vilo, Teco, and Merk were destroyed. Following this catastrophe, groups of human refugees spread throughout the whole galaxy, reaching 110 star systems at first. Over time, this has created an incredibly rich diversity of human races and civilizations and cultures, with some Tigetan sources pointing to the existence of at least 400,000 humanoid civilizations in this galaxy quadrant alone. We have many human groups that look identical to Earth's humans. Others have minor differences, such as their heights, their eye colors, or their shapes, or slightly different connective tissues, like their nostrils and earlobes. Then we have races that look clearly different from Earth's humans. For example, having exotic skin colors, tremendous heights, different head shapes, or very distinct facial features. These races also widely vary in technological advancement, belief systems, and consciousness levels. Now we are going to go through a quick overview of some well-known human groups, many of which are contacting Earth at this present moment. Keep in mind that the names, pronunciations, and descriptions of these different races might not be accurate, as we are just beginning to assimilate the huge amount of information that has just begun to enter Earth in recent times. Some of the races that are said to look exactly like Earth's humans include, for example, Clarons from planet Claron in the Aquila constellation, the Kardashians from planet Koldos, and I did not just say the Kardashians, some humans from Proxima Centauri, and some human groups from Sirius B, the white star dwarf in Canis Major constellation. Some races that are said to look similar to humans but with slight differences include Antarians from the Aquila constellation, who can reach up to 9 feet tall. The Antarians from Antares or Alpha Scorpii in the Scorpius constellation, who can also reach 9 feet tall. The Apunians from Alpha Centauri, who are Nordic looking and can reach a staggering 12 feet in height. The Umetes from planet Umo, a planet near the Sagitta constellation, who also look like Nordics and can reach 9 feet tall. We also have the Cassiopeians from the Cassiopeia constellation, who have a clear webbing between their fingers. The Cetons from Cetus constellation, who are up to 8 feet tall and are said to look like the Spanish, Italian, or Native Americans, possessing skin colors with the shades of olive, brown, tan, and red. And we have the Cygnus Alphons from Cygnus constellation, who are from 7 to 9 feet and come in a variety of colors. The Etipurans from Etipura's solar system appear to have unique mouth and jaw structures, as well as no fingernails. The Claremères from planet Claremare, who are said to be 10 feet tall and allegedly lived on Earth in the ancient past. And the humans from Procyon star in the Canis Minor constellation, who are said to have beautiful, pronounced, chiseled facial features. Some of the groups that look clearly different from Earth's humans include Sagittarians from the Sagittarius constellation, who are up to 12 feet tall and look angelic and refined. The Solzars from Sirius B, who stand up to 15 feet tall, have a thin waist and muscular extremities. They are hairless, they have blue or violet eyes, can be male, female, or androgynous, and they like to decorate their heads with jewelry. The Orion humans are said to be up to 12 feet tall and have skin colors such as light blue, white, green, or even violet, and are able to travel through different densities and dimensions. We also have a wide variety of human species with blue skin tones. For example, the Andromedans, who are hairless and come in many beautiful blue shades. They can be male, female, or androgynous. Some examples of many distinct groups from Andromeda constellation are the Xenoi, Zygon, Martra, and X-Tychus. We also find many blue Arcturians from the red giant Arcturus, who are up to 12 feet tall, whose skin colors go from blue to milky white. They have large heads, large almond-shaped eyes, small noses, and small mouths. They tend to exist in higher densities, looking different according to the dimension where they choose to appear. Of the many human races of the Sirius system, we have the blue Sirians from Sirius B, who have bright blue skin and elongated faces with large ears. Other Sirian races include groups that look indistinguishable from Earth's humans, as well as the Sirian Titans, who are multidimensional beings who can reach up to 12 feet tall. Lastly, we have the Eridanians from the Eridanius constellation, who are up to 7 feet tall and are Nordic-looking with blonde or brown hair, blue or green eyes, and a natural, beautiful light skin color that shines naturally.